Hello everyone. Yes, our uncut season has come out. It has come out and it is full on hit. We are seeing here Musa Mseleko exposing Umayeni and Umpumelelo and saying ukubana how they unfairly treated Uvuyokazi. And yes, we've all known that Umayeni didn't really like Uvuyokazi, but obviously she couldn't say it out loud because it seems like she did not even try and have a relationship with her. But so now Umusa Mseleko is busy explaining that Vuyokazi's mom was calling Musa Mseleko crying in tears about how Mayeni and Mpumelelo ill-treated Uvuyokazi by the time how they all ill-treated Uvuyokazi when Umhlopekazi was staying with Umayeni. Umayeni, in her defense, she's saying that she did not know Uvuyokazi very well. It doesn't mean that she didn't really like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all